Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. We're talking about turnkey real estate investments, particularly turnkey rental properties today. In essence, what a turnkey rental property is another investor buys the property, they fully renovate it, potentially they put a tenant in there, it's all leased up, and then you buy it from them when it's ready to go. Now, they may charge a premium for this. You know, for instance, let's say you want to buy a property, you typically want to be at like 65 cents on the dollar minus construction cost. And a lot of these turnkey properties may sell for 80 cents or 90 cents or maybe even 100 cents on the dollar, 100% of the value of it, and that's where they make their money in that spread for doing all the heavy lifting, right? Obviously, cash flow is important, but when you're identifying one, figure out what you're comfortable with an equity cushion. I like being in at 80%. That being said, those turnkey deals are hard. That's just ideally where we want to be in at. But, you know, I'm not saying it's a bad deal, even if you pay 100% of the value for it. It's a part of your portfolio, right? It's not like you can go buy many assets out there for significantly below market value. Sometimes you pay retail for something, and you know it cash flows. Let's say you pay $100,000 for it, and it cash flows $1,400 a month. Could be decent if you pay cash or you get financing for it. Few tips though: do make sure that there is a credible investor that bought that property ahead of time. Make sure if they tell you it's fully renovated, that it's fully renovated. Do some due diligence on that, because the last thing you want to do is think you're buying a fully renovated house and then 12 months go by and you have to replace something major, and then your maintenance costs go through the roof. Ask them what happens when this tenant moves out at a short period of time. Do I have to pay a releasing fee for them to release it? Ask them what they're doing with management, if they're going to continue to manage it. So definitely look into these. It's great for a passive investor who doesn't want to be too hands-on. And it's even great for an active investor who wants to just add a property in a particular area in their portfolio. You know us, we like to do stuff locally. That's up to you, though. Comment if you're buying turnkey properties. I'd love to hear some stories, good or bad. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is Jason with your Private Money.